First off, thank you all for being involved with STEM education at Michigan State. In College of Natural Science, we really have two jobs. One is to do great research, and the other is to provide great education. And this ACF initiative and the STEM efforts, STEM education efforts in general, really combine those two missions for the college. So what I want to do is just talk briefly about the college's commitment to STEM education and maybe set the stage for answering questions for you later on. So it turns out in College of Natural Science there's a long history of real excellence in scholarship in STEM education going back decades. And in the last few years we've been building on that, made a number of, I think, very important faculty hires all across the college that are directly focused on different aspects of STEM education. I hope I don't forget anybody, but just to talk about the breadth of this, we're partners with the College of Education and Create for STEM Institute. That's really going very well. We have faculty in the program for math education and therefore math and statistics who are focused on math education, faculty in the departments of chemistry, physics, plant biology, microbiology. Am I forgetting anybody? Geology. Yeah, geological sciences, who are STEM education researchers who are, the scholarship is focused on STEM education, and we're highly supportive of that. And it's great to see the research, the national impact of all of that, but it's also great to see the impact that those people are having on the education of our students in Michigan State. Last thing I should mention is to make sure everybody understands how a lot of this effort is funded. Many years ago, there was developed a middle school math textbook system called Connected Math. Faculty at Glenda Lappin and Betty Phillips, a number of other people in the math department. This is the largest selling middle school math textbook system in the country. It's got, last thing I heard, it's got about 40% of the national market. So many years ago, Glenda and Betty put their royalties from this into an endowment in Michigan State that went along with Michigan State's portion of the royalties to build up an endowment that now supports STEM education in CNS. Total endowment there is now more than $20 million. It's one of the largest endowments at Michigan State. And we are scrupulous in using that to support STEM education. A lot of the income from it actually goes to the continuing development of the Connected Math program. We want to keep that going. But we use it to support Create for STEM. We use it to support Prime, the graduate students in Prime, and some endowed professorships. And in conjunction with this, I still call it ACF initiative in STEM education, we do have something called the Lappin Phillips Fitzgerald Chair in Math Education, that if we can find a person who can hold a chair like that in Michigan State, we are going to be very pleased to make that part of an offer to bring somebody here. So again, just let me reiterate, CNS is really committed to this. It's at our core, and I'm looking forward to great things. And again, thank you all for coming.